Most men give compliments that barely scratch the surface. You look beautiful, or I love your smile. While sweet, they're expected and often forgotten. But what if I told you there are certain compliments that tap directly into a woman's deepest emotional needs? Compliments that most men never say, but once you do, she won't stop thinking about you. These aren't cheesy lines, they're rooted in psychology, and they make her feel truly seen. Let's dive into the three compliments women crave, but rarely hear. Compliment 1. I admire how your mind works. This one, it's gold. Most women are constantly judged by how they look, but rarely are they praised for how they think. When you tell a woman you admire the way she sees the world, solves problems, or expresses her thoughts, it hits differently. It says, I'm not just seeing your beauty, I see your brilliance. And when a man appreciates her intelligence, it sparks a deeper connection, one that feels rare, intimate, and unforgettable. When you tell a woman, I admire how your mind works, you're doing something rare. You're seeing her beyond the surface. Most compliments focus on looks, but this one speaks to her intelligence, creativity, and inner world. It tells her you value her thoughts, her unique way of thinking, and the way she processes life. It's a compliment that reaches her soul and makes her feel deeply respected. She'll remember how you made her feel seen, not just as a woman, but as a thinker. This creates a mental and emotional bond that physical attraction alone can't match. Because when a woman feels understood, she opens her heart in ways most men never experience. Compliment 2. You bring peace into my life. This compliment makes her feel safe, valued, and cherished, not for what she does, but for who she is. When you tell a woman that her presence calms you, that she makes your world feel lighter, more balanced, she feels irreplaceable. In a world full of noise and stress, telling her that she is your calm in the storm makes her feel like your sanctuary. And once she hears that, she'll crave being that person for you, over and over again. Telling a woman, you bring peace into my life, touches her in a place most men never reach. It means her presence calms your mind, softens your heart, and makes your world feel safe. In a chaotic world, you're letting her know that she is your calm, the soothing energy you didn't know you needed. This compliment makes her feel like home, like a gentle force that heals without even trying. It shows her she doesn't need to impress you. She just needs to be. And when a woman feels she brings peace to a man's life, she'll want to protect and nurture that bond. Because deep down, every woman wants to feel emotionally essential, not just desired. Compliment 3. You inspire me to be a better man. This one goes straight to the soul. It tells her that she's not just someone you enjoy, but someone who elevates you. You're saying, your energy, your strength, your spirit, it challenges me to grow. Every woman wants to know that she's not just taking up space in a man's life, but actually making it better. This kind of compliment plants a powerful seed of emotional connection because now she feels like she matters in your journey. And that's addictive. When you say, you inspire me to be a better man, you're giving her one of the highest forms of praise. You're not just appreciating her. You're telling her that her presence pushes you to grow, evolve, and rise above your limits. It means her strength, values, and energy awakens something powerful in you. This makes her feel like a positive force in your life, not just a romantic partner. She feels deeply impactful, like she's helping shape the man you're becoming. And when a woman knows she inspires greatness in you, she feels emotionally connected and spiritually aligned. That kind of bond is unforgettable and irresistibly magnetic. It's not about flattery, it's about depth. When you compliment a woman in ways that touch her mind, her soul, and her impact on your life, you stand out massively. She'll think about your words in quiet moments, replay them, and trust me, she'll crave more of you. So the next time you're with a woman who matters, skip the usual lines. Speak to her heart and watch her obsession grow. Want more psychology-based insights that give you the edge most men never learn? Subscribe because we're just getting started.